Hey everyone, welcome to Your Daily Move. I'm John.
And I'm Mike.
And we're corrective exercise specialists. If you haven't guessed what the video was today,
It's about walking and doing it correctly.
that might have been you in the last video.
Right, not paying too much attention to what you're doing, maybe looking at that phone.
Let's bring a little awareness to how you walk.
Yeah, how about we take a peek, John? Look at the right way. And we're back. You just witnessed a much more proper form of walking where we took away those distractions, took away that phone, and brought much more awareness to our bodies as we walk.
In the video, he is much more controlled in his gait. He has hip extension, thinking about his glute contracting to propel him forward. And that's about what we're talking about. Distractions. They lead to poor habits and lost patterns, much like our walking pattern or gait.
You can see the lack of control in this walking pattern. There's no big toe pressure or push off, resulting in zero hip extension and no gluteal activation.
Since he's holding a phone with his right hand, his left shoulder drops. His forward head posture throws off his gait, and it doesn't allow him to swing his arms.
Yeah, his foot is going to hit the ground harder. With his rigid gait and uncontrolled footwork, it's going to cause unwanted stress to his joints. That adds up. Let's resolve this.
Focus on each step as a rep. Think about your heel striking the ground, rolling into your big toe.
And finishing hip extension with a push-off, contracting your calf like a calf raise, and engaging your glute like a butt squeeze.
Each step can be a mini exercise by concentrating on these muscle groups.
Glute squeeze, calf raise, glute squeeze, calf raise. Make sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow and like us on Facebook.